So we basically tripled our leads and our profits. As you can see here, the new value stack is completely dominating the regular ebook. As you can see here, 18 have ordered, a total of 486. So those 18 individuals are essentially qualifying themselves. And of course, we also have a lead magnet, as you can see here, the 298 views, 100 have opted in. And that on itself is inside of the back end. I'm gonna show you my screen so you can kind of get an understanding of what's going on per usual. This person here, this happened like 4 a.m., which validates that he doesn't have to be on social media uh, because the back end is finally kicking in. So let me go ahead and share my screen real quick. All right, so if you've been watching, you know I keep this link down in descriptions so you can see and follow along with me. We're currently on day 13, which is us finalizing the funnel. I just want to do a quick recap of what you saw on the prior screen, which is a 7-day nurturing campaign. We're doing this through SMS currently. So if they opt into the free lead magnet, they're going to be prompted the opportunity to purchase the $27 stack value. If they do not opt into that, that's okay because they'll be put into a nurturing bucket campaign, which will just nurture them and send them right back to the 7 days. Of course, it'll be a little bit different. Same goes for the $27 value. If they do just purchase it, it will then send them to a not this price, but $270 because we're going to credit the $27, so it makes it a much easier yes. And if they decide not to, that's okay. Same thing goes, as the free one. So we just nurture them and send them back into the loop until they do say yes. So I want to touch base on how I know this is working because as you can see here, July 7th, July 8th, so they opted into the free lead magnet before they actually bought. As you can see here, $0, $27, July 4th, 614, 638. So same thing, kind of the pattern repeats as you can see. So it's working. Another thing I want to just touch base on real quick is that the fact that they opt in, of course, using their name, email, phone number, because they want this free video. Now, this video I never mentioned, but it is hosted on YouTube. And there's a reason why I decided to place it on YouTube is because there's a description area and there's a comment area. And they can always come back to YouTube to watch it. They might subscribe. There's a, list of reasons, but this is for people that have the patience to actually watch and find an interest. The link will also be inside the description. When I say link, I'm talking about that starter kit, the $27. So they don't miss it, but they're not being sold on it the very first opt-in. Inside the comments, they can have conversations about it, things of that nature. And then on day 2 or day 1 is where the first email gets sent out, just confirming that they got the video. And that's about it for right now. I do want to add a reply if you actually watch the video, but that requires us to use a different platform, which we are converting to Kajabi. And then, of course, day 2 is when we actually mention the actual stack value and the reason why they should opt into the $27 product. Okay. So that's basically, so they're not going to miss this $27 value stack offer, even if they were to purchase or opt into the lead magnet first, they're going to be cycled in to motivate them to upgrade to the $27. Now, once they do upgrade to it, the goal is to upsell them into this offer. And that in itself requires Kajabi. So I just want to do a quick comparison because right now we're using Stan Store, Kajabi. The first thing right off the bat is going to be how much it costs in comparison. Kajabi is a bit more, but to me it's worth it. Stan Store is easier to use, very simple. You can create a store right away. Um, Offers can be pumped out very quickly. Stan Store is a little bit more advanced, but the reason why I want to convert over is, Stan Store is a specific domain, so I don't know where the emails are. I don't know if the emails are actually landing in their inbox. I can only assume, which I don't like that. Um, so that's why we're doing SMS. Another thing is when they do buy this $27 value stack, there's no way to properly upsell them right now. Stanstore does have a order bump, but with Kajabi, what we can do, and by the way, an order bump is basically like a checkbox right before they're about to confirm their order. So everything stays on the checkout page. With Kajabi, not trying to sell them, just trying to let you know the reason why we're converting over is because you can upsell them the $270 one because you have your own custom page. So right when they check out, they add their card to purchase a $27 value stack. Their next page, instead of a thank you page, is going to be, hey, by the way, do you want to credit the $27 you just used to purchase the value stack towards our better offer? And if they decline that, well, we can offer another downsell of, let's say, $27 a month for 3 months until you pay this remainder off of some sort. It's just another option. Same offer, different price, essentially. So to me, we're losing money on the table by not having this option. We're going to test it out. So that's basically it for this, summing it up. If you want to follow along, feel free to click the link down below. I don't think I'm missing anything else. Oh, for tomorrow, it's pretty exciting because I finally got to use AI. I essentially completed the funnel that we have here and cloned my father and have it saying a certain script. AI, it looks exactly like him, sounds exactly like him, looks exactly like him, sounds exactly like him, and I'm using the video generated by AI to do this. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video, and I'll catch you in that one.